Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on gold versus the dollar monthly, I still think it's extremely clear this is a 1, 2, 3, and I personally still think the wave 3 is not over. I still think the 161.8% Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the bottom of wave 2 is an extremely likely target for the wave 3 before we make a wave 4 and a wave 5, just to finish off the uptrend that started way back here. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's very clear this is a wave 1, a wave 2, and this is all subdivisions of a big wave 3. Maybe it's a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, and maybe we're now in a wave 4 of 3. Either way, I'm still very bullish. Maybe it will go down a little bit more before it goes up, but I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it just keeps on trending up from here, heading up to that 161% Fibonacci extension around the 2550 area. Heading down to the daily time frame, now there's a few options on the daily. This definitely could be going down in a wave C, potentially all the way down to the 161, 178 before it continues up, and that would be a perfectly normal looking pattern if it did, and it definitely wouldn't break any Elliot wave rules on the higher time frames. But I personally think that there's a good chance that this move right here, 1, 2, 3 waves down, could be a correction to this move right here, especially looking at the dollar index and other dollar pairs. So we do have 3 waves down, we do have impulsive up. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if this just kept on trending up from here. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I am definitely watching my Fibonacci retracement levels on the 4 hour. If we do go to a Fibonacci retracement level and then we make a break or structure to the downside, I would definitely know at that point that it was an A, a B, and a C. Something like this. If it doesn't do that and it continues to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and just keeps on trending up, then it's very obvious that this right here is the end of a wave C, and that we are now in a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3, probably a 1, 2, 3 of wave 5 of wave 3, which is a subdivision of the wave 3. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm still very, very bullish. Like I said, I think we're either in a wave 3 or a wave C right now. If this really is a wave C, then potentially it will go up to like the 100% Fibonacci extension, the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. Then it will turn down, break structure, proving it's a wave C and continue in the downtrend. If it's not a wave C, but it really is a wave 3, then it potentially will go up, bounce, because that is definitely an area of resistance. Then they will just continue to make higher highs, higher lows, proving to us that it's a wave 3. So as long as you pay attention to your structure, pay attention to price, and with a little bit of simple Elliott wave knowledge, you definitely should be able to tell the difference between a wave 3 and a wave C, and you should be able to trade accordingly either way. So, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my live daily Zoom meetings and access to my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.